How to fix Snapchat sound not working in 2022. How's it going, guys? Welcome to How to Browser YouTube channel. In this video I'll show you how to fix the sound. I hope I can help you. If I do, please drop a like. Now let's jump right into the video. What you need to do right now is to go to settings. The first thing that you need to check is this. Please follow along with me. Go to settings and scroll down and look for Snapchat. Now look if you enabled microphone in your Snapchat. So here, guys, if you enabled microphone in your Snapchat settings, you can see here. If you have this turned off, please turn this on. Another thing that you can do is to turn off do not disturb. Okay, so turn off do not disturb. You might ask yourself, why should I turn off do not disturb? The reason is this mode is silencing many sounds and alerts. Is because this do not disturb mode silences many sounds and alerts. Okay, guys, so what you need to do is to go to settings. There's another way to turn off do not disturb, and then scroll down till you see focus. Tap on focus, and now please tap on do not disturb. And now you need to toggle the switch to the off position right here. Alright, now if it's turned on, please turn off. Another thing that you can do, guys, is to disable Bluetooth, because when Bluetooth is connected to a different device, then it will share the sound with the other device. So yeah, you will send sound to another device. So that's why it's important to turn off Bluetooth. So only on one, so the sound plays from the iPhone. So now, guys, if you have your Bluetooth turned on, please turn off your Bluetooth. Type here. Another thing that you can do, guys, is when you are in Snapchat, where you are in the Snapchat application, when you are in the app, you can also adjust the volume buttons like this. Maybe you turn down this volume. Now just turn off the volume. That could be the reason why you don't have a sound. Now another tip for you guys is to simply restart your iPhone, because if you don't hear any sound, restarting your iPhone could really help. Now I think I forgot to tell you guys something that you have to do to make sure that isn't an issue from your own iPhone. There's a volume issue, so something maybe inside of your iPhone. So for that, I suggest you to test the iPhone speaker. Go to settings, and then here type on the search button sounds, and now please use different ringtones, different vibration, or go on YouTube and play a song. Another method or tip that I have for you guys is to check for updates on your iPhone. So to check For updates, just scroll down, go to settings, and then scroll down and look for general. Tap on general right here, and now what you need to do is to tap on software update, and now update your iPhone. As you can see, I need to update my iPhone as well. And this, guys, this is the last method, is to reset all settings. To reset all the settings is, if you want to reset all the settings, you need to go to settings, and then you need to go to general, and right here you need to tap on reset. And right here, guys, as you can see, transfer or reset, tap on transfer or reset, and then you have here this option. Now tap on reset and make sure everything is ready. Transfer, make sure guys, you did a backup, and then just reset your iPhone. So yeah, guys, make sure you have a backup, and that's it. Just reset, and maybe this video will help you. If it did, guys, please drop a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you guys in the next video. Take care.